Hey, welcome to another edition of Roth Academy, dude. We've been gone for a while, but what are you going to watch tonight, bro?
We're going to watch Pierre Pinto.
Oh, that's right, the green Pinto. You know, Pierre's the guy that did the orange dune buggy and the hard candy van. I see him all the time at Redneck Rumble. Anyway, this guy's a painter, you know, the real deal. And we said, hey, look, Pierre, if we send you the paint, will you, just take with your phone some pictures of you doing it? He went out and bought a camera and did such a great job, we don't even want to edit it, you know what I mean? We're just going to go watch it with the...
And the colors are...
Greengo. And
That's
it's,
right.
What's two different sizes?
3 different sizes, standard and little series. He's got a layout.
Yeah, the proprietary stuff that Vince made up.
FL-UNDERCOAT.
Yeah,
Yep.
so...
And that's it.
We better go watch this thing and check it out, baby. Come check it out with us. In the Master Flake Theater. Oh, hey, beatbox, is that who kicked me, man? Watch out. Here we are at Master Flake Theater. Oh, where's Pierre? Oh, you want some? There he is.
All right, I put a nice smooth coat of sealer on here just to kind of get it all one color. That's basically all I wanted to do. Okay, so here's the products we're going to be using. First, the base coat, which is called Green Flake. You can see
Flake Undercoat.
So that'll be going on first. And then on top of that, we're going to be putting 2 pounds of 008 Mini Flake. That'll be going on top of that.
That's little size, right?
And on top of that, we're going to be putting 015 medium flake,
This is actually
standard flake. Put 1.5 pounds of that on top of that.
Going to town.
All right, I'm going to take you on a little tour here on just one coat, just the first coat of the Mini Flake. It's got a good glow to it already.
Looking good.
You can, you can really see it. I don't know if it really shows up the color green it is, but that's just one coat. All right, so I got all the small .008 flake put on these parts, which ended up being 1 full pound of the small flake. So stick around, we're going to do some big flake now. It's going to burn your eyes out.
Nice. You're getting there.
Yeah. All he's got to do is
That's all the flake on there.
grenade it with clear.
Yep. Bomb and clear on now. Any of you guys bring the vape? You probably got it.
All right, so last night we cleared it. I put 4 coats of clear
Nice.
on top of the heavy flake, and you can see
on that.
in the reflection how rough it is. I mean, it's not rough, but it's just real bad orange peeling, and that's fine. That's just the clear laying over the big flakes of the big chunks of flake. I'm going to dry sand all this. I'll dry sand it with 400 probably, because it'll be a whole lot, easier to cut. And since I'm going to put a whole lot more clear back over the top of it anyhow, it ain't going to matter. I got one of the doors out in the sun before I sand it. Look how pretty that is. It probably ain't going to show the real green color in this stuff, but it looks awesome. When I say eye burning, it's eye burning, because the reflection on here is actually burning my eyes. I feel like I'm getting a suntan.
Whoa. Normally I go a little bit finer when I'm cutting it, so you don't cut through the flake on it. Well, all right. We got all the panels sanded today.
We got him mask off here for some stripes. We're going to do some panel painting just like it was on it before. Alright kids, here's what we got. We got the stripes put on. And of course this camera don't really make the green look as cool as it is. So I peeled all the tape off. So the next plan is I'm going to put 2 more coats of clear on it. Simply because, you know, there's a line here now. So we got to cover that line up. So we got to flood it with some more clear to fill that in. And then once we do that, we will sand it flat again so there's no lines in it. We'll sand it after that all dries, and we will clear it again because that's what it takes to be cool with the clear. It takes a lot of clear to make this thing slick, and that's what we're gonna do. All right, we got them cleared last night, and man, do they look good.
There you go. Yeah.
Sparkly and straight. They turned out awesome. So that's 2 coats of clear on top of the panel painted part. So it still has a little bit of an edge on it, you know, just like you would with stripes. So I will be sanding that flat again to get rid of that edge. And when I do that, I'll put another coat of clear on top of that, which should then be all of it. That's the rear hatch, and it looks as good as everything else. Look at that shine. And that's not even finished up yet.
Yeah, it takes some clear, that's for sure.
This is the final coat.
Bury it all. There you go.
This is how it's going to come out of the booth. There ain't going to be much buffing on that at all. And this is the results of 2 coats. I went ahead and put 2 on it because, well, I've got the clear and I can do it. So, 2 more coats in case I had to do a little nibbing and buffing, and maybe on down the road if it dries down a little bit, needs a little bit more buffing. But it looks like it's going to be fine. These have been drying for about 3 hours now, so I don't think they're going to go nowhere. And man, look at that. I know why they call this stuff candy, because it just makes you want to lick it.
Yeah, it does. That's candy for sure. That is the baddest Pinto you've ever seen in your life, in real life, dude.
I love gas.
Yeah, it's insane. He gave me a ride around the redneck rumble in this car, dude. And it was like, dang, dude. Unbelievable. Master Flake Theater is over for today. That was great. All right, well, that was a good show, man. Pierre knows how to put stuff together.
Nice job.
Well, now you can see what it takes to do a flake job. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Realistically.
Not exactly quick and easy, but he breezed through it pretty.
He makes it look
quick.
a lot,
Yeah.
really pretty easy. But actually, if you just do it like Pierre, it's not that hard. So.
No, it's not that hard. And we have the whole video out of Pierre's complete instructional that you could look for online using our FL-UNDERCOAT. We had a good time. I hope you guys enjoyed it.
It kind of brings a tear to my eye because that was the first color we painted the Beatnik Bandit after the original color was a green flake with some, you know, candy inlays. Yeah, so.
Are you hungry?
Yeah, I am, dude.
Why don't we go get some egg foo young?
Oh, let's go now.
Man. Oh, we'll see you guys. Thanks for watching.